Okay.
Did we do?
Ich plunge in Ghetto von Gessel zu Gessel und kenn nicht gefinnen kein Ort. Nicht toll ist mein Liebe, wie trockt men a Riebe, Menschen sagt Chotsch a Wort. Es läuft auf mein Heim, it's der Himmel, der Bläuer, wo je hab ich it's der Fund. Ich steh wie a Bettler bei jedwitten Teuer und bettel a bissele Sonn. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Fliegel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Fliegel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Ich geh zu der Arbeit, vorbei unser Leben, in Treue, der Treue, der Tag erzählte, die Blumen verwelkte, Seviane, vor uns ist euch Nacht. Vor Nacht euch zurück wächst es neue, der Treuer, und du hast du Liebster gewahrt. Und du ihnen Trotten, noch kennt ich dein Trottis, fleckst kuschen mich liebe. Frieden, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Es ist Jahr der Frühling, gar früh angekommen, zerbliet hat sich Bänkschaft noch dir. Ich seh dich wie Itzter, Balladen mit Blumen, a Freudiger gehst du zu mir. Die Sonne hat vergossen, die Welt heint mit Strahlen, zerspotzt hat die Erd sich in Grün. Mein Treier, mein Liebster, wo bist du verfallen? Du gehst nicht heraus von mein Sinn. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue, oh, nimm mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück.
Oh, what a beautiful song.
Yeah. Very sad.
Very beautiful song.
Okay, Janet, can you read the English, please?
Avram Brudno and Shmerka Kazarginsky were fighters in the Vilna Ghetto's United Partisan Organization. Kazarginsky's wife Barbara was murdered by the Nazis in April 1943. They wrote the song Frühling in her memory, springtime in her memory. After the Nazis liquidated the ghetto in September 1943, they deported Brudno and other survivors to concentration camps in Estonia, where he died. Kazaginski fled to the woods with other partisans and continued to attack the Nazis alongside Red Army units. After the war, Kazaginski went on to collect and publish hundreds of songs from the ghettos and camps, including some that he had written himself.
Thank you, Janet.
Danke.
Elaine, will you read, please?
Ich blonge in Ghetto von Gessel zu Gessel und kann nicht gefinnen kein Ort. I wander the ghetto from lane to lane. I can't find a place. I can't find a place. Yeah. Nita is mein Lieber. Wie tracht min arriber? Menschen zuk choch avort. My beloved is no more. How can one bear it? People, say just a word. Es leicht auf mein Heim itzt, der Himmel der Bläuer, woje hab ich itzt der Fun. My house is aglow now. The blue heaven, what do I have left? Ich steh wie a Bettler bei jet werden teuer und bettel a bissele Sonn. I stand like a beggar at each gate and beg for a little sun.
Thank you, Elaine. Thank you. Maurice, do you have anything to add?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Cookie, can you read?
I'll try.
Okay.
Frühling, nennst du mein Treue und bring mein Liebste, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Flügel bläue. Nimm mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Beloved, springtime, take away my sorrow and bring back my beloved, my devoted back to me. Frühling, springtime, auf deine Flügel bläuen, on that I can't, on your wings, on your blue wings, is that correct?
Yes,
That's right.
yes, it is. It is.
That's it.
Okay, on your blue wings, and then and take my heart with you, and bring and take it to my beloved.
Thank you.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
I love that song. I love it.
yes. Okay. Yes, Elaine.
What is the word tryin? Tryin.
I is devoted, my beloved.
Devoted.
A Gutraya is a devoted. A good
A dev-
Vimmel.
My dear,
Okay.
Is it dear or devoted? Or both?
Taya is dear.
Right.
Taya is devoted.
Okay. So devoted, Elaine.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Beverly.
glick is that the last word? Isn't that luck?
Joy, my joy.
My joy.
Bring it back. Oh, I wish it was-
Hilda, can you read, Hilda?
Yes. Ich gehe zu der Arbeit vorbei unser Stiebel. I go to work past our home, is it? Stiebel?
Yes, that's right.
In In Treue der Teuer vermacht. In sadness, the door is closed, or the gate is closed. Teuer is the same as
Yes, the gate.
the door. The gate
the
is
gate.
closed. Yeah. Der Tag Zerhälter. The day is waking up.
Yes, it's becoming bright.
Right. Die Blumen verwelkte. The flowers are dying. Sie wianen. For they is euch Nacht. They are fading. For them it is also night.
Right. Good.
Okay, thank you, Hilda. Thank you. Beverly, can you continue?
Ich habe eine Frage.
Okay, yes.
Das ist, ich bin Hillel. Zehälter, the prefix ze changes it. It's not just, it explosively becomes bright.
That
Maurice,
means the day is dawning. Hell is bright.
okay, the day is dawning. Okay, the dog is, okay, thank you.
Okay. Beverly?
Eine Nacht auf Zurichwegs. Es neue der Treue. By night is troubles.
Zurückwegs is on the way back.
Say it again, Maurice.
On the way back from work.
Oh, okay. And the night on the way back, es neuent der Treue. I don't know how to translate that.
Treue is grief.
My sad.
It gnaws at him.
Yeah, it gnaws at my grief gnaws at me.
Right.
Da hast du liebster gewahrt. Right here, my love, you waited for me. At der innem Schatten. I don't know what's innem Schatten is.
In the shadows.
Oh, in the shadows, noch kentig dein Trott is hard words. God, what's kentig?
So it means that he still remembers
Her walking.
the steps, the sound of his steps. Kentic is, it means it's still alive for him.
Yes, your steps.
Right.
Like cushion mir lieblich und zart. You used to kiss me. What is zart?
Tender.
Zart is sweetly.
Oh,
yeah.
I think tender also.
Tender, right.
Tender. You used to kiss me with my love with tender and tenderness.
Right.
Odd words.
Okay. Unsart means without sadness.
Zart.
You would love.
Zart is tender. Lieblich is lovingly. Lieblich und zart.
And what is sadness? Zart is not sadness.
No, that's something else. That's with an iron.
Oh.
That's something else. Tender. Beverly, just read it because we already translated.
Feeling them zu mein Treuer und bringt mein Liebsten mein Treien zurück. Frühling auf deine Flügelbläue nimm mein Herz mit und bring es mein Glück. Beautiful.
Thank you. Diane Sheva, can you read?
I'll try.
Okay, please.
Heyar, der Frühling, früh angekommen, zu Blit hat sich Bankschaft.
Yes.
Noch dir.
Sure, thank you.
Ich sehe dich, wie ist der? Balloden, thank you. Balloden mit Blumen. Frediker gehst du zu mir?
Can you translate it?
I don't think so.
Okay. Maurice, can you translate it for us?
Hold on. I'm in the middle of something here.
It says it is this year spring.
This year spring came.
Sorry, I'm in the middle of something.
Okay, no problem. So this year spring came early, and it bloomed.
Please.
My longing for you bloomed.
Okay.
I see you like now. You're loaded with flowers, and you are coming happily to me.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes, Rafael.
One interesting thing here is that it's all in the masculine, even though it was written for his wife. It's afraid de care. So I've noticed that throughout. The beloved one is always masculine throughout this poem.
So why?
Why? Yeah, that's interesting. Why? Okay, we probably will not know. Yeah, so.
Beves.
Yeah. Okay, Barbara, can you just read it? Because, no, we also have to translate it.
Yeah, I'm going to pass because I'm on my phone and it's hard for me to see even.
You couldn't connect this?
I just didn't have the time this morning working on taxes, so I'm sorry.
Okay.
Minna, let me try.
Marie, go.
Die Sonne hat vergossen, den Garten mit
Strahlen.
Nein, Tschechputz hat die Erde sich in Grün. Mein Treier, mein Liebster, wo bist du verfein? Verfein. Okay. Not A. Du gehst nicht heraus von mein Sinn. Okay, so the sun poured down. Correct me if this is wrong. The garden with rays, is that right?
Yes.
The ground turned green. My lover, my beloved, where did you fail or fall? Fall.
No. Where did you go away or where
it's
did you
fade?
Fade. Fade. Okay, that makes sense.
Would vanish work?
Vanish is better.
Yeah.
Vanish. Okay. You are not. This says you are not leaving my son. Is that right?
No.
You're not leaving my mind.
My mind.
You're never out of my mind.
Zen is mind.
Oh, mine! Like you're not going away from my mind. I still remember you.
Not going. Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay. So just read it. We translated, but just read.
Can I sing it? I would like to sing just to support.
No. Let Chava Alberstein sing. Sorry.
Okay. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treuer und bring mein Liebsten, mein Treien zurück. Treien zurück. Frühling, euch dein Fliegel bläue und nimm mein Herz mit und gib es up mein Glück.
Okay, so that's a little
different. Yeah.
Another version.
I'm sorry.
There are many versions, so that's not a problem.
Yeah, I'm reading from a transcription.
Okay. Sorry, Cookie, but Chava Alberstein sings it so beautifully. So let's listen to her once again.
Ich plonge in Ghetto von Gessel zu Gessel und kenn nicht gefunden kein Ort. Nicht to ist meine Liebe, wie trockt men a Riebe, Menschen sagt trotsch a Wort. Es läuft auf mein Heim, it's der Himmel, der Bläue, wo hab ich it's der Fun. Ich steh wie a Bettler bei jedwitten Teuer und bettel a bissele Sonn. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Fliegel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Fliegel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Ich geh zu der Arbeit vorbei unser Stiebel in Treuer der Teuer vermacht. Der Tag erzählte die Blumen verwelkte, sie jange, vor uns ist euch Nacht. Vor Nacht euch zurückwächst es neue der Treuer, und da hast du liebster gewahrt. Und du in dem Schotten noch kennt ich dein Trottis, fleckst kuschen mich lieblich und zart. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Fliegel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Fliegel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Es ist Jahr der Frühling, gar früh angekommen, zerbliet hat sich Bänkschaft noch dir. Ich seh dich wie jetzt der Balladen mit Blumen, a freudiger gehst du zu mir. Die Sonne hat vergossen, die Welt heint mit Strahlen, zersprotzt hat die Erde sich in Grün. Mein Treier, mein Liebster, wo bist du verfallen? Du gehst nicht heraus von mein Sinn. Frühling, nimm zu mein Treue und bring meine Liebsten, mein Treuen zurück. Frühling, auf deine Fliegel bläue, oh, nehme mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück. Frühling, auf deine Fliegel bläue, oh, nimm mein Herz mit und bring es zu mein Glück.
Who's singing it?
Chava
Beautiful.
Alberstein.
Who? Oh, Chava Alberstein? Beautiful.
Okay, any comments or questions about the song?
Oh, so touching.
Yes,
when it
Steve.
says, sorry.
Steve, I see you raise your hand.
I heard somebody else talking. This is a question for Rochelle. Is that a tango melody or am I mistaken?
You can dance a tango to that, yes. But you can dance a tango to anything, it turns out.
Okay.
Yeah. And
It seems like
Nouveau
such an
tango dances to rock and roll, to classical music, to all kinds of things. But you can do a tradition. This is more of a traditional beat, yes.
it seems kind of an odd melody for such a sad song.
This is particular, as a dance teacher, I say this is a particular
Okay.
tango, would be played tango
Yeah.
style.
Yeah. There's a whole album of Yiddish tangos.
Yeah.
Okay, Marla?
When it says at the beginning of the sentence, is that the same thing as ah?
What do you mean?
Well, sometimes a sentence began with Aleph with a
I
what do
think
you
it,
call it?
I think it's
Okay.
supposed to be O.
I think it's supposed to be
O-H.
oi.
Okay,
Well,
Rafael.
I or O. I think
Okay,
O.
thanks.
Okay, Rafael.
Yeah, there are various one-syllable interjections, and is like the English O, or an expression of dismay, it can be. Is a little bit different. Is more of I see now.
Affirmative.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
it can also, yeah. So there's a few other one-syllable interjections, and they're all a little bit different, like
Meh.
meh. Sure,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Morty.
Yes, I wanted to mention regarding the last word, zin. The dictionary forwards you from zin to zinnen, which is usually what in spoken Yiddish is used as sense. Ich habe es in zinnen. You don't normally say in zin. Here it's probably to make it fit into the words from the song. For sun, the usual word is zin, mein zin, which sounds a little bit different. This is Mariva, I think, when she translated initially, she said sun, but sun as the sun, not the sun, the yellow sun, but the son of a father. Manzin would be manzin. Sun in the sun, the yellow sun in Klar Yiddish is zon, from what I've seen.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
A question about the word
Yes.
Frediker. Frediker gehst du zu mir. Raphael, Fredig is an adjective. Frediker is a noun. My joyful one from Fredig is joyful, and Frediker is a joyful one.
Yes, Rafael.
Yes, yeah. Often you can take an adjective and just use it as a noun, and it's just as you say. It's like in Hebrew, putting a ha in front of a verb makes it into the one who. So a frediker, the one who is happy.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Any more comments before or question or anything before we move to our?
One question. Is Zin not also memory? The licks in my Zin. Zin, the way
The Korin is usually used.
Zinnen is memory.
Glick man Zinnen.
Yeah, that's memory. My
What means memory? You're never out of my memory. You're never out of my
mind. That's basically of my mind.
Yeah.
Keep it in mind.
You were always on my mind.
Okay, this is something else.
Sorry.
Yeah, I know, but that's another kind of song, and I think
right. Sorry.
because we are in April, and April was the Warsaw Ghetto Rising, and so I think that's the connection to the song and the time that we are in now. So we are just moving. I'm just trying to see who joined us. So I will have a whole picture of the group. Okay, and we are going to the story. So let me do it as much as I can, which I think is right now.
Could you give us a little synopsis?
Okay, so the story is about a maid, and the Balabustim are sending her to get charoset from their uncle. And that's a tradition because every Passover, this uncle prepares charoset and he gives it, distributes it to all his nephews.
Nephews and nieces.
Nephews and nieces, and
Yeah.
all of them are coming and doing whatever he wants them to do. They pay attention to him, they care about him, because, why? Because he's supposed to be a very rich man. And every Rosh Hashanah, he writes his will he rewrites his will. And so probably everyone is afraid that, he will be out of the will. Anyway, so this maid is going to bring the charoses, but on the way, she's meeting her friend, Max, and Max is kind of, he has new ideas of the world order. He reads socialist or communist literature, and he's telling her about those new ideas, and she likes them, of course, In this new order, there will not be balabustim and maids. Everyone will be equal and so on. And so she is talking with him, and she forgot about the charoset. When she remembers, she runs. And did we get here or not? I don't want.
No, we
Okay,
didn't
no, I
get
think
there.
we didn't get to this, so I don't want, to tell you things that we didn't read. Anyway, so Sholem Aleichem is telling us about the balabustim. So he tells us about the man, and the man is a stingy one, and he will not resist schlepping customers from other stores and so on. He is very, very, very stingy. And now we are now coming to the description of the wife. So that's where we stopped. So Morty, please. Jeder Mann vermogt Punkt als Weib, wie ist wert.
Jeder Mann vermogt Punkt als Weib, wie ist wert. Every man has the wife that he deserves. Pereve hat a Weib, darf sie heißen Perevariche. Pereve has a wife, she has to be named Pereveriche. Dus heißt, that means, heißen heißt sie Ratzel. In fact, her real name is Ratzel. Nor a Nomen hat man ihr gegeben Pereveriche. But the people gave her the name of Pereveriche über ihr Charakter, because of her character. Sie ist ein bisschen an eingegessene. She is a bit of an angry woman. Etliche Basunder kocht sie aus das Wasser. Everybody, separately, everybody else, literally boils her in water. Means nobody can stand her, I think. Men ken sie mit dem. She is known everywhere via Bais Schillinger. She is an angry, I don't know what the word Schillinger is.
Don't know either.
Yeah, well,
does anyone,
probably
yes.
an
Okay.
angry woman or angry.
Excuse me, it's an expression, and it's actually a small worthless coin, but it also Bays and Schillinger means a notorious person. She's known to everyone as a notorious person.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Karen.
What is he showing do the Pereverge? Everybody says, she is here already, the Pereverge. Azoi zoekt men auf ihr in Markt. That's how they talk about her in the market. As me der seht, sie finden weiden. As soon as they see her from far away. Pereverge, as sie will epis kaufen, the Pereverge, whenever she wants to buy something, denkt sie sich so lang, she bargains so long, bis me sagt, ihr in the Augen until she is told straight into her eyes, straight into her face, as he is a perverige, that she is a perverige. In dus hat sie darf gefallen. And that is really something that she hates. Mit vus bin ich a perverige? Why do you say I am a perverige? Damit vus ich will nicht überzun? Because I don't want to overpay? For mein Geld meg ich mich, dacht sich. For my money, I think I can be a bissel dingen, zinein. I can do a little bargaining, or not. Zogt efscher, as nein. Say, isn't that so? Oder efscher is by mir ganevish Geld? Or perhaps is my money stolen money? Oder efscher meint ihr, or perhaps you mean, as mir handelt mit falsche signatius, that we handle with false currency? Oder efscher is glatt a mitzvah by mir nehmen tire, or perhaps it is a mitzvah for me to pay more than it's necessary. Go on?
Yes, yes. Another.
Okay. Peripherie is a Jidene, wo's legt nicht kein Kuvit auf keinen. Peripherie is not a woman that will give honor to anybody. A in ihr eigener Vetter, Yossi, even her own uncle Yossi, it is ihr Vetter, nicht ihr Manns. He is her uncle, not her husband's. Was alle haben vor ihm der Echeretz, that everybody respects him, hat Moire mit an anzuheben, mit ihr anzuheben. He is afraid to start with her. In as es macht sich amul, verspät sie mit a Wort, and even if sometimes it happens that he insults her. Parchepet, yeah. He well, how do you translate Parchepet? I don't know.
Could be
Goes there with a word. Yeah,
a noise,
a noise. Thank you. With a word, kann sich von ihr nicht ausbuden in Wasser. He cannot get rid of her with 10. He cannot even get rid of her bathing in 10 waters. It means there's no way he can get rid of her. Der Vetter Yossi hat sich dämmelt mit beide Händen bei die Euren. Uncle Yossi puts his hands over at that time puts his hand over his ears, läuft raus in draußen mit der Gewalt, and runs outdoors with a scream. Reboino Shalom, dear God in heaven, struf mich mit Kafal Hele, mit Gehinnem, mit wus die willst, punish me with
purgatory. It's purgatory.
Yeah. Oh. With purgatory, with hell, with whatever you want. Abi leis me hois fin perveriges moil. But please keep me out of perveriges mouth.
Thank you, Morty. Thank you. Yes, Elaine.
Sorry.
What does
Can I say something?
Yes, please.
We like Yiddish sayings, right?
Yeah.
And there's a Yiddish saying that says, "Besser of Goyish hand, wie of Yiddish mailer."
Okay. And we have here, if you didn't pay attention, we have a lot of sayings in this story.
Yes.
A lot of sayings that, yeah. Okay, yes, Elaine.
What does perevaracha actually mean?
There is no real meaning to it. It's a description of a person that is very stingy.
Okay.
But otherwise, there is no exact meaning to. And he
Stingy
says,
and annoying.
Yeah, stingy, annoying, yeah.
Okay.
So that's
Cheapskate.
Cheapskate. Yes, that's a good one.
Okay.
Okay, Karen. Sorry?
Carver?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Naronsky? Yes. You're muted.
Ja, wie weiß man, als der Wort Vater meint Onkel oder Father?
No.
Vetter is uncle and Futter is father.
Und es spelled anders in een andere.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. The spelling is
Futter
different.
mit a Vov and Vetter mit a Nayin.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Karen, go on.
Der Vetter Josja hat schon geprüft, pormal straschen sie mit der Savoy. The Uncle Yasya tried a few times to threaten her with the will, with the testament. Hat das euch nicht geholfen? This also didn't help. Avade, sie's noch gewinn viel Ärger. Rather, it made things much worse. Sie hat sich in ihm so eingegessen in die Beine. She
Her expression.
She I don't know, eingesessen, and she was she upset him.
No, she was eating the bones.
Even into his bones. Isn't it another saying she got under his skin?
Yeah.
That's
but
the best
literally,
one. Yeah.
that's a good one. She was eating the bones.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's a good one. She got under his skin, yeah.
As er hat geschworen für a ganzen Minyan Yidden, and he swore as when he's if or when he would swear in front of
no, that is she got under his skin so much that he swore.
He swore before a minyan, as they sollen wissen, as they should know, as Tomer Chalila geht von der Welt, if he, God forbid, would die, is das gor iber ihr. It was entirely because of her. Iber ot der perevaricha, because of this here perevaricha. Itzin velen,
Atzin
velen mir lernen, kal vechoimer. Now we will learn all the more so, and an inference, a conclusion that is certain, an inference. We're going to infer something.
So, Karen, just let's stop. Yeah, Refoil, can you explain it, please?
Yeah, this is a Talmudic expression. A kal v'chomer is an a fortiori argument. Because this is like that, then that must certainly be like that. And the first part, just as this is like, is in the Talmud starts with ma. And so here's ma doch, putting the Germanic doch after the ma. But so ma doch, just as, and then we'll expect to find later on al achas kama v'chama, all the more so, and that's the second part. That's what you derive from it. So the madach is the principal thing, and the al achas kama v'chama, which we also find in the Haggadah, is the result.
Thank you, Refoil. Yeah, Louise, I see that you raised your hand.
Yeah, I wanted to also say something about a couple of words that we had before, but actually the first one in this paragraph, or the one that we just read, adraba means on the contrary, and it's also an Aramaic origin word that is also used in those Talmudic discussions that Refoel was discussing. And then farchepet, I think it means sticking. My mother always used to say chepetahof, like get lost. So it's sticking, and that's why they cannot wash it off, because it sticks in the same sentence.
Okay, thank you,
Thing that
Luisa.
is
Yeah.
sticky. So
Yeah,
okay. Hillel?
Yes. In the line above, Halila geht von der Welt. That's a gentle way of saying the person died. I think that's how Karen read it. Is that
Yes.
another way of describing the Jena Welt? The
No.
other
No,
No.
no, no, no,
No.
no,
No.
no. It just, you know.
He passes
It
from
just
the
means
world.
God forbid.
Yeah,
God forbid he should die.
yeah. But it doesn't describe the other world. No.
Okay, but
Not at all.
saying going from
It's their Welt, this world.
this world, going from this world.
There.
Okay.
In their Welt.
So it's not a way, it's another way of saying gestorben, that he should
Yeah.
not.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's another way, yeah.
Okay.
It's a,
God forbid he should die.
literary way.
Uh-huh.
Before your end is up, you want to add anything? Or?
No, sorry, I should lower it.
Okay. Marsha?
Yeah, it's a short for chas v'chalila, right?
Yeah.
God forbid.
Yeah. Yes.
But usually in Yiddish, you don't say chaz, you just say chalil. I think it's in Hebrew more that you say chaz v'chalil.
Chas v'chalila, yeah. Yeah. Okay, Karen, will you continue this paragraph?
Okay, I'll just restart the sentence. At sin willen mir lernen, kal vechoimer, der Vetter Josia, was alle gucken arois auf sein Jerusha, hat von ihr abgeschnittene Jahren heint loi kolshek loi kolshek shechin aman. So now we're going to learn an inference, seeing that Uncle Yasya is looking always looking out is
not he is looking out for the Yerusha.
Everyone.
Everybody else is looking
out. Say that again.
Everybody else is looking after.
Looking out at his inheritance. From it is von ihr abgeschnittene Jahren. I think it's cutting his life short. Hind today, let alone a man. I'm not sure.
So, not only the uncle has problems with her, and she's shortening his lifespan. לא כל שמן המן ונוח זמן ויפרבחה. But also her husband, and such a husband, like פרבחה, על אחת כמה וכמה.
Oh, and her husband all the more.
Yes.
And her husband all the more. Thank you. Meg men doch avader bagroben nein allein in der Erd. Well, may one, of course, bury nine in the ground. I'm not sure
I
what
think
that
it's 9 feet deep.
9 feet in the ground.
Islands.
It's a measurement.
Yeah,
It's the
9,
measurement, yes.
like you say, 9 feet under.
6 feet under.
6
Feet,
feet
but here
under.
it's
Yeah, but this
mile.
is 9 feet under.
It's a measure. Island is a
It's a
measure.
measure.
A
Well,
measure.
Jews need more space.
So 6 feet under or something.
Yeah.
Soll kein soll kein Techias Hamesim
Nicht
nicht aufstehen. He should not be resurrected.
Yeah.
Ich bin nicht perevariches melets Yosher. I don't want to be her perevaricher's defender.
Yeah.
Nor ich gebe ihr ob dem gerecht, but I give her the right.
Yeah, but she's right.
I decide that she is right. A mitzvah of perelven. She's a good. It's a good deed for her husband. She's good for her husband. Hat gewusst noch vor der Chasana. He well knew after he well knew noch he well knew before he knew well before the marriage, as sie is a Schlag von sein Leben Nomen, that she is a pain.
She's a pain in the neck. That's another.
Or a pain in the neck.
Yeah, that's another, saying, a Schlag von sein Leben Nomen. So a pain in the neck.
Thank you. Und hat gehabt bis nach der Hasene 30 Mal sie aufgetten, that he almost divorced her 30 times since getting married. Nor hat das nicht getan, so lieb Vetter Yasyas Yorisha, but he didn't do it because of Uncle Yasya's inheritance.
Ken Yovdu.
Ken Yovder Aza Sof Megan Hoben alle Gender Neshomas, may they all come to the same end, all of these greedy souls, was verkaufen sich for Geld, who sell themselves for money.
Thank you.
What's
Karen.
Ken Yender?
Ken Yovdu.
Israel.
May they all come to the same end.
Yes, exactly.
Just mentioned.
Yes. Morty?
Yeah, I just wanted to mention in the next to the last line, in Hot gehat bis noch der Hasene 30 Mul sie Ugen, he had the chance, even after the wedding, to divorce her 30 times.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Michael, you want to say something?
Just fitting in much better, a mitzvah of Peraven. The actual meaning is serves him right for marrying her.
Okay. Yeah, that's better. That's better.
Oh my.
Okay. Rochelle, please. Rochelle.
Okay.
Yeah, before this. Yes, Louisa.
Yeah, you're gonna have to help me with the Hebrew.
Yeah, but okay.
Yes.
The phrase goes, Ken Yovdu kol oivecha Israel. This should happen to all your enemies. of all the enemies of Israel.
Of Israel, yeah.
Okay.
Let's remember that one.
There is a song that goes like that. But where is it from? I don't know where it's from, whether it's Talmudic or a song. I don't know.
I don't know. Anyone knows here?
But I
Morty,
do.
Refoil,
Probably
do you know?
Refoil. No, I don't. Refoil probably knows.
Can
Refoil,
you
do you know?
Koloidecha Israel? So this will happen to all your enemies, Israel.
Refoil, do you know?
No, but I'll look it up.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so I said Rochelle,
Ja,
please.
wir losen über Perveren mit Pervarichen und kehren sich zurück zu unser Leisen mit ihr geliebten Mark. So we are leaving Perverike and Pervarinen, and we are returning to Liza and her beloved Max. Liza.
So just a moment. Morty, you have an answer?
Yes, it appears, the Kol Oivecha appears in several parts of the Tanakh. Two of them are in Chronicles and another one in the Psalms.
Thank you.
All enemies of Israel.
It's a song that I learned as a...
I will put the specific references in the
In
chat.
the chat, please. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Good.
Thank you, Morty.
Okay. So go on, Rochelle.
Liza ist rübergegangen rausgegangen von dem Vetter Joschen mit dem Charoises und hat noch nicht gemacht kein 5 Tritt. Liza left her uncle's and had not yet taken 5 steps, is schon ausgewachsen Max. So Max appeared. Und das und das Portal hat sich gelassen, beide spazieren über der berühmte Kasrilivke Blotte. So she met Mark, and the pair of them allowed themselves to stroll through the Kasrilivska mud. Was beweist sich Arois mit ihr ganzen Chain that appears with all of its charm as es kommt Pesach. It appears with the mud appears with all of its charm as Pesach arrives. Alte Leid der Zeilen as they gedenken nicht. The old folks tell that they do not remember wenn soll sein amol ein color.
Kasrilevke.
Okay, why can't they read that? Soll sein einmal in Kasrilevke a truckene Pesach. The old folks do not remember that there was ever a dry, meaning not mud, Passover. Jeden sagen sie, haben schon a sa Glick. They say that Jews have such luck as kommt Pesach, that when Pesach arrives, wird der Trinkenisch über dem ganzen Stadt. There's a flood over a flood appears over the entire city. Nor ärger wie Umetum is der größer Platz, but worse than any other place is the great
Plaza, right?
Plaza, thank you.
Yeah.
Oder der Schulhof, or the synagogue, or the synagogue, I forgot what Hof means.
Court.
Court. Okay.
Yard.
Yard.
Courtyard.
Okay. Dort wo es stehen alle Schulen. That's where all the synagogues are. Beis Midrash und Kleislech, houses of worship and little synagogues. The Kelril. Why can't I read that? Those two first letters confuse me. Kasrilevke Bel Yegluch.
Balagules.
Die Yisrael Balagoles was seinen scharf auf zu Menschen zu nemmenischen haben da Namen gegeben durch Titel
Yes,
Those
then
Titterl?
those Tinterl, yeah.
Okay, so the rich people who
No, the local Balagules.
the local Balagolas that like to name things gave it the name those I don't get that. That must
The
have
mud hole. The mud hole. The mud hole.
Oh, the mud room?
Mud hole.
Mud hall.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's muddy. All the city is muddy.
Ja. Ahin sagen sie, als man fort rein mit a Wogen, Erev Pesach darf man sie abgesegnen mit dem Weib und Kinder bis het noch Shavuos. Okay, so they say that if you drive in with a wagon, you have to say goodbye to your wife and children till Shavuos.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
Barbara.
Oh, okay. So I was saying, I know the word tint means ink. So I thought that was the reference to ink. It was just, rolling, I don't know.
It can be like the inkwell. The
Yeah,
inkwell.
inkwell.
Tint, like ink. Okay,
Yes,
now
be
I
like
get
an
it.
inkwell.
I just didn't get it. I couldn't
Yeah.
see what he meant. Okay.
Okay, Diane?
Yes. My question is, the word plots means plaza, but when you're going to say you're going to plots, my grandma said, I'm going to plots. So can you tell me about that, how it has several meanings?
It's just a different.
It's a different word.
Oh, it's a different word?
Yeah, this one is probably from, some other language, plaza, place. But plots is
to burst.
Yeah, plots is to burst. It's a completely different word.
So it's spelled differently.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Plots is a different story. If it's a plots, plots mit Gelächter.
I don't think it's spelled differently, just, different meaning. Yes, Refoil.
Right. It is spelled exactly the same. It happens in any language that you'll have words coming together that happen to have completely different meanings that are spelled the same, but have different meanings. So Plotzen, to burst, I think that's from a Germanic origin. Plots meaning a place, I think that's a Latin origin. But they both exist.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Luisa?
Yeah, when you go to Italy and you go to the center of town, it's the piazza always.
Piazza, yeah.
And it's the same word, piazza, plaza. What is Bal Agules, Bal Agalot?
Coachman.
Coachman. Thank you.
Coachman.
No, but it also has another meaning. A balagola is if you say as a balagola, that means he's an unlearned oaf or something. Oh, is there a balagola? I've heard that very often.
Weren't balagolas wagon drivers?
Yes, more than coachman, it's a wagon driver.
Yes, a wagon driver, yeah.
Thank you.
But it can be what Cookie says, because, most of them were
They weren't educated. They weren't educated.
A prostermensch.
A prostermensch.
Right. One is literally and the other is figuratively.
What does a gola actually mean?
It's the wheel. It's the wheel.
A wheel.
No,
the master of the wheel. He drives
the wagon. It's a wagon. Yeah, not wheels. Wheel is something else.
Agul,
Okay,
yeah,
Refoil.
agul is a wagon for
Refoil,
cargo.
yes.
Thank you.
Refoil, please go on.
Von deswegen, nonetheless, leben soll die Kastroliker Jiden. May the Jews of Kastrolika live long. Ihr sollt sehen, wie man geht in Schulerein. You should just see how they walk to Shul as kommt die erste Nacht von Pesach, when the first night of Pesach arrives. Und Davke, angetan yantivdik, and specifically dressed in holiday finery. Und Davke mit lange kapotas, and certainly with their long coats, their kapotas. And Davke atlesene, and certainly coat made of satin. Asach haben sich verspätigt. Many of them delayed. Laufen sie in ein Atem. And so they run out of breath, literally in one breath. Achotch verchapen aborchu, in order to at least catch the borachu, which is the official beginning of the service. Now, ein Max chapt sich epis nicht azoi shalarein. But only this fellow Max doesn't grab himself, doesn't hasten to go to shul. Max is vernommen mit Lisa. Max is busy with Lisa. Halt mit ihr inmitten der Schmus, noch von früher. He is in the middle of a chat with her from before. Sie gehen hart bei die Wand, suchen a Steschke. They go close to the walls. They look for a path. Und haben sich also vertieft in their Gespräch. And they are so deep in their conversation, as they haben gar nicht bemerkt, that they have not noticed in the least, wie die Zeit ist hingekommen, where the time has flown. Plötzlich, suddenly, haben sich a Schott getan jeden Funsch die Schulden. The Jews are all coming out like gunshot from all the synagogues. And Lisa hat sich getan mit impet. And Lisa grabs herself with haste. Oh, a plague on my boss lady, the Peravaricha. Me geht schon von Shul. People are already coming out of Shul. Und the Chakarisis, mischtens gesagt. And the Charosis that I was supposed to go get, as it were. Lisa hat nicht geendigt die Phrase. Lisa didn't finish this sentence. Es hat sich getroffen mit ihr das, was es trifft sich ganz oft mit der Mädel in Kastrelivke. What happened to her is that which often happens to a girl in Kastrelivke. Sie hat sich ausgeglitscht. She slipped. Und hat ausgelöst das Tetzel mit Charoises, and she let slip.
Dropped.
Dropped, yeah. The platter with the Charosis gleich in Blotte rein, right into the mud. Azah Unglück, such a misfortune. Lisa is given Eis Mensch. Lisa was beside herself. Literally was no longer a person. Se versteht sich, one can easily understand, as Vinkl says doch Klolis auf der Welt, that however many curses the world has, seinen See geflogen auf Peravarich's cup. They flew onto, she let them out onto the Peravarich's head. Max hat sie aber gich beruhigt. But Max quickly calmed her down. Chabt sie Benje, deine Burschikes. No, Benje, that's an unusual. May Benje grab them, your bourgeois women. But what is chabt sie Benje? I don't know if I've seen that before.
I don't know either. I couldn't.
Perhaps pumpkin?
No,
It certainly sounds like a curse.
Yeah, I think should they go to all wind or something like this, but I'm
Like
not.
that. Yeah, I'm just looking up in Stuttgart, and I don't see it in
But
Stuttgart.
clicks on your borscht was.
Read the next sentence.
Yeah.
I
Leeds
think
on a full tolerable mit blotte. And was this sign for horses? Just put a complete, fill up your little tray with mud and let that be horses for them. Nishkasha makes no difference. Sie haben gute Morgens. They've got strong stomachs. Sie will das verdauen. They'll be able to digest it. Bei Azamin Eitze hat sich Lisa früher wie geschrocken. For such a piece of advice, at first, Lisa was quite afraid. Was heißt? What do you mean? Sie wird unhodevend ihre Balabatim mit Blotte. She'll feed her masters, what's the better word in English? Her employers.
Yeah.
Her employers with mud? Noch them, but then is der Gedanke ihrer so gefallen. This thought pleased her so, as sie hat sich arsch zerlacht, that she actually laughed out loud von der Doseker Hamzoe, thinking of this particular idea. Und hat getan sei, wie Max hat ihr geheißen. And she did exactly what Max had suggested. Und hat sich gelost, laufen daheim, was gicher. And she started running back home as quickly as possible. Sich dreimal gesegnet mit Maxen. Three times she said farewell to Max. Stark quetscht bei der Hand. And she shook his hand with a firm grasp.
Yeah. Another paragraph, please.
Okay. Es liegt schon etwas Aselches in der Teve von einem Menschen. In the nature of a person lies something like this. As Gott schickt uns zu etwas a gute Sach, that when God sends us something good, teilt mir sich damit gern mit dem Zweiten. We eagerly share it with a second person. Ubefrat, especially, as such a thing, versus a mitzvah that might be a commanded thing. And so cost kein Geld nicht, and it doesn't cost anything. Unser Held, Hererve, our hero, the employer, wie der Leser weiß schon, as the reader already knows, is epis nicht as a milder nadven, is not a particularly generous person. Literally, he's not such a mild hander-outer. Was soll sich mafkir sein letoives haklal, who will put himself out for the general welfare. Nor, but, as se kommt die erste Nacht von Pesach, when the first night of Pesach arrives, there weckt sich in ihm a gefühl von tzedakah. A feeling of generosity wakes up in him. Es warmt sich bei ihm das Herz. His heart becomes warm. Die Hand wird bei ihm aufgebunden. His hand becomes unchained. Und versorgt alle seine neuen Tischreinen mit dem Vetter Yossi's Charosses. And he supplies all of his near neighbors with Vetter Yossi's Charosses. Itlichen zu bislich. To each one, a little bit. Bismaisa, the same time, shined by him das Punim. His face is shining. Wie by a malach, as with an angel, as to an angel, as an angel's face. Und as wünscht ihm, soll der Leben über ein Jahr und sein Reich, and as people receiving it give him the standard Vinchavanya, the same, the standard blessing, that he should live for over the next year and become wealthy. Das hat davka leben, that he really enjoys. Entfert mit Aziz Schmeichele, he answers with a sweet little smile, was is selten auf seine Lippen, which happens very seldom, his lips. Gamatem, gamatem. You too, you too.
Thank you, Rafael. The descriptions are amazing. It's
They are.
just out of this world, really. Thank you. Susan, please go on.
It's
I just wanted to ask, is there any questions or anything until now?
I just want to say that is describing what he usually does on Pesach. This is not what has happened in the story yet. This
right.
No.
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
right.
you.
Absolutely
Thank you.
hysterical. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, Cookie. Yeah.
I think ungebunden would be more unbound rather than unchained. There's a word for chained in Yiddish. Ungebunden, yeah, unbound. His hands become unbound. Am I right?
I think it's they opened. His ends opens. So that will be. Yeah.
Ungebunden, unbound. Yeah, that's
Okay. Yes, Rafael.
Yeah, I agree, Cookie. That would be a more literal translation. I guess I was trying to give you a
you were trying to figure your way out. You couldn't get out.
you're close.
Hi, Cookie. Okay. Susan, go on, Susan.
Itzsticks Mool hat sich Parve a bissel verspätig mit den Geräuses austeilen. This time, Parve was a little late with giving out the Geräuses. Und Iberwemen and over whom? Iber der Dienst, to whom he would be giving it out? Iber der Dienst.
No, not to whom why he was late with the charoset.
Iber der Dienst
and because of whom? Yes. Iber der Dienst.
And because of whom? Because of the servant. Sie ist spät gekommen. She came late. An Eitzes von der Dienst.
ISIS.
No, an Asis von der Dienst. What a bad maid.
Nasis?
Like an Asis Punim. But
Yes,
how would you translate that exactly?
I think like a lot of nerve.
Yeah. How does she
a nervy maid.
Yeah.
A Tiritz hat zugetracht a vieles sehr a klugen. An answer, she thought of an answer.
Excuse.
An excuse.
Even a very clever answer.
Excuse.
A way to respond. She thought of a way to respond, and even a very clever way. Der Vetter Yossi hat sich verhust. Vetter Yossi coughed a bit, sagt sie, mit sconnes nefoshes. He coughs terribly loudly.
No, Sakonis Nefashas, it's just he was going to die or something like this.
Right. He coughs like he's dying. Alle haben, sagt sie, gemeint, als sie schöne Neck. All of them thought that this was the end. Ois Vetter Yossi, the end of Uncle Yossi. No, so, was no, what do you mean? Wusche is gewähnt, so what happened? Was soll sein? Gesund und stark auf alle jüdische Kinder. So what should it be? Health and strength to all the Yiddish children. Der Melech mit der Malka, the king with the queen, das heißt Parve und Paravarcha. That means Parve and Mrs. Paravarcha gucken sich über und Wörter. They look at one another without saying a word. Losen a Reus a tiefer Sifts. they let out a deep sigh, und man setzt sich weg zum Seder, and they sit down to start the Seder. Is this finished or not?
No, go on. But just before, yes, Cookie.
The word teretz is not answer. Teretz is an excuse.
An excuse, yes. It is an excuse. Yes, you're right. Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you, when I can correct you people, I'm so thrilled. You have no
You
idea.
see, that's because you are coming to our Zoom session.
That's true. My Yiddish has improved tremendously.
Yes. Okay. Go on, Susan.
Der Seder ist schon so viel Mal geschrieben geworden von mir und von meinen Kollegen. The Seder is so many times
written about.
Beschrieben geworden. How would you translate that?
Written about. Was written about.
Oh, written about. By me and my colleagues, as alt was ich will euch itzter suchen, so that anything I'm going to tell you now wird sein nicht mehr wie Übergekeit von Jahren. It'll be nothing more than repeated from last year.
Yeah.
Das, was ich wollt ja wollen sagen it's this which I would like to say now is nur ein Sach. What I would like to say now is just one thing. Was für a Koyach liegt in dem lieben heiligen Yontif Pesach? What a great strength lies in our beloved Yontif Pesach. As a viele as a kalte Sach, and even such a cold thing as a truckene Brie, such a dry creature, the Pereve, like Pereve, a sur oib ihr vet im der kennen. Forbidden that you should know him. Und Perevaracha, and what about Perevaracha? Wo is hingekommen ihr Mäul? So what happened to her mouth? What's she saying? Was kann sich kein Mul nicht beruhigen? Which usually she can never quiet herself. What's coming out of her mouth? Because she can never quiet herself. Von wannen hat sich genommen zu sei beide Asa milde Weichkeit. Since when do they show such a mild Weichkeit?
Softness.
Gentleness.
Softness.
Such a mild and softness. So viel Freundlichkeit und jontifdicker Chain, such friendliness and holiday harm of sehr Peinemo that shows on their faces. Es is Leben. It is, I swear, kedei zu stehen von der Weiten und zu sein. It's worth it to stay at a distance and take a look wie soll es geht zu bei der Seder. It's worth it to look how the Seder is going for them.
Okay, Susan, I think we should stop here because
we can leave the Seder.
Yeah, it's a good place to stop, and we will continue with it next time.
What a story! What a story!
The story is amazing. The description.
Only Shalom Aleichem.
It's just out of this world. And so
he's telling us a story. That's the beauty of it.
And this is Shalom Aleichem. What do we expect?
I'm saying, yeah, but he's telling us a story.
Okay, yes, Cookie.
The word der kennen is not know him. Der kennen is to recognize him. To know somebody is, ich weiß hem schon. Aber
No,
kennen is to recognize someone.
Kenny.
Okay?
Okay.
Where's the boss?
Who is Cricket on the thing?
I am.
Who? I couldn't hear.
I'm Cricket. Barbara's
Cricket is
I'm on my phone.
Barbara.
I'm on my
Cricket
phone.
is Barbara. She had a problem with her.
Oh, how funny. Okay.
With their connection. Cricket is a company, so yeah.
I know that. Oh, yeah, that's right.
So, any question about what we read? Any?
It's marvelous, marvelous. It's hysterical.
Yeah. Well, you will see later. If you didn't finish it, you will see what's going on. Yeah.
Hysterical.
Yeah.
And what page did we end on?
We page 8 in the middle of the page. Page 8.
Page 8?
Yes, 8.
Okay.
The middle of the page.
The pages don't have numbers.
Yeah, they do. I have numbers. It's
Yeah,
down.
at the bottom it'll say 8 of 11, 8
Yeah,
slash
8 of
11.
11. It will say 8 of 11. If I have it, you have it too, because that's what I sent you. So, anyway.
Good Yontif.
Good Yontif all.
All right, let's
Good
go.
Yontif to you all. Daniel, just a moment.
You.
Good Yontif, good yor.
Yeah.
Good Yontif and a good yor.
Good Yontif, good
Daniel,
yor.
I saw your email.
Okay, you saw. So answer me in the.
I already did. Yeah, I'm happy to do
Okay.
that.
Okay, no problem. Because I
What?
have things in English.
When
And,
is the Houston Seder?
this Sunday.
This Sunday.
And believe me, it's a headache. So
Aviv, if you start driving, you can just make it.
Yeah, right. I'll start tomorrow.
He'd love you to come. He'd love
Okay.
Thank you.
Enjoy your Seder.
Welcome. Bye. Barbara, just a moment. Please, Barbara.
I'm here.
I just want you to try next time. Try to the regular one, and if you don't, you cannot connect with the regular link. So then just download the app. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to download the app on my computer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because we have some problems. Some people cannot connect. Cannot connect through the link. I don't know. It gives them trouble. And we have like Leah is trying for the last month to connect and she cannot do it. And we don't know why. We have no idea why.
We do know why, because Zoom is no longer supporting that particular program anymore that I was using. And I assume the situation is for Leah too. So you have to upgrade. In other words, you have to get their newer program.
What do you mean the newer program?
Well, I mean, whatever their software is, their newer form, their newer version of Zoom.
They have to update.
Yeah. So I have to download their newer version.
You have old version of Zoom and it doesn't. Oh, I didn't know
And
that.
it didn't update by itself?
Excuse me?
It doesn't update by itself?
No.
Well, some people have it set to update by itself, but some people you can say yes or no, I don't want to do it right now.
Okay, but if where do you check the updates?
You have to go to actual Zoom and the Zoom website and actually get the brand new version.
Right, exactly.
Bye-bye.
Exactly.
I see. Bye-bye.
Does anybody know if there's a charge now? Is there a charge?
No.
No.
Still no charge.
Still no charge.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's good to know that if it happens, you go to the Zoom meeting.
Yeah, and this new one, it's got it's a headache. It's got all kinds of new way.
Oh, so it's a downgrade rather than an upgrade.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It's crazy. Okay. Bye. Bye all. See you next week. See you next